welcome back to my channel. Today we have this super cute half cut crease neon eye makeup, and if my lighting looks different, I did get new lighting, so let me know how you guys like it. If it looks better or worse, I don't know, let me know. Anyways, if you want to learn how to get this look, let's get right into it.
Yeah, get into it.
One eye is already done. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the side. Starting off with this shade here called Not My Journey, and we're going to take that on the edge and all inside the crease. And since this is the darkest color that we're using, you want to make sure it's super pigmented, so keep layering it on. The next shades I'm going to be using is Dance Party and Tipsy Girl, and I am mixing them to get that perfect shade of pink that I want for this look. And we're just pressing this pink shade literally right on top of the purple. So with the pink and the purple, it should look something like this. You can literally tell it's not blended in together. But before I blend them all together, I like to kind of put them in their place. That way you can see each color in your eyeshadow look and everything's not like all blended in together. Now I'm going to use this shade called Feeling Myself. We're going to be putting that right on top of the pink. And this is the first shade that I'm actually like blending in with the other shades. So the orange, I kind of want it to like melt into the pink. We're gonna dip back into the dark pink and put it back in the middle. And you want to use little circular motions, not like go all over the place. Now I'm gonna be cutting my crease. This part I'm probably honestly just gonna like fast forward it because it takes me forever. But if y'all want to see a video of how I cut my crease, let me know and I can make it for you guys. When you're done cutting the crease, it should look something like this. Before I go in with the neon pigment, I'm going to be blending out the edges. I'm going to go in with the pink shades and press it. And then I'm going in with the purple shade. Now with the concealer still wet, I'm going to go in with the neon pigment. Oh my god, it's falling all over the place. And I'm just going to pat it onto the lid. I love these, but they really do be all over the place. Now time to go in with a little bit of liner. I'm going to be using Araceli Beauty. You guys already know. And I'm just putting this right on my lid. Why is my freaking eye watering? Are you good? Anyways. I'm going to be using Araceli Beauty lashes as well. And my favorite glue ever, Star Glue. And there we have it. These lashes are so pretty. I'm going to finish the face off camera. I'll come back and finish the eyes with you. She's back and she's beat. Now for the under eye, we're literally going into all of these eyeshadow shades and putting them right under the eye. So start with the lightest orange. It's okay if it's messy because this is literally the lightest shade. And last, we're going in with the purple super close to the bottom lashes. And that is the full eyeshadow look. Now we're going to add some bottom mascara. I'm using the Milk Makeup Mascara. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, learned something new. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.